Meaning of Eros.
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 Eros. Eros is a Greek word that refers to the god of love and sexual desire in Greek mythology. He is often depicted as an attractive young man with wings, armed with a bow and arrows. In psychology, Eros is used to describe the life instinct or drive towards survival, growth, and reproduction. Overall, Eros represents the passionate and intense aspects of love and desire that can be both romantic and sexual in nature, and it is often associated with human emotions such as attraction, infatuation, and longing.